Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best eyelash adhesives that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kiss Strip Eyelash Adhesive. Kiss Strip. Eyelash adhesive is a formaldehyde and latex-free super strong hold glue with a brush applicator for thin and precise glue line. It has aloe to help keep the lashes healthy. Customers love the strong hold and easy removal of the glue. However, some find it difficult to apply and it can take a while to dry. It can also be difficult to remove from the lashes, compromising the integrity of the lash line strip. It is a great product for the price and lasts a long time. Moving on, at number 4 we have the DUO Strip Lash Adhesive. The DUO Strip Clear. Lash adhesive is a must-have for users who want an uncomplicated and comfortable false lash application. Boasting an advanced formula, the DUO Strip Clear Lash Adhesive dries quickly, undetectable, and holds strip lashes securely in place. It is waterproof and ensures that your falsies are always in place, perfectly aligned with your eye shape, and comfortably attached to your natural eyelashes. It is easy to use and easy to remove too, and it won't flake on your lash line and won't cause any irritation on your eyes or eyelids. It is 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and proudly made in the US. At number 3, we have the Kiss Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. The Kiss Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and long-lasting eyelash adhesive. It is ophthalmologist tested and non-hypoallergenic, making it gentle on the skin. It has a strong hold for up to 48 hours, is waterproof and sweatproof, and is formaldehyde and latex-free. Customers have found it to be a great value and have praised its long-lasting hold and easy application. At number 2, we have the AOA Studio Eyelash Lash Glue Enhancers 4PCS. AOA Studio Eyelash Lash Glue Enhancers 4PCS is a set of stronghold, waterproof, hypoallergenic, latex-free, and formaldehyde-free eyelash adhesives. The formula is designed to prevent irritation and is easily removed. Each tube contains 0.7 oz of quick-drying adhesive that provides long-lasting hold. The product is made in Korea and designed in the USA. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kiss Super Stick 5-Day Lash Adhesive. The Kiss 5-Day Lash Glue offers a powerful hold that keeps your false lashes in place for up to 5 days, making it ideal for long-lasting wear without frequent touch-ups. Its formula is designed to be strong yet gentle, thanks to natural ingredients like witch hazel and cactus extract, so it's safe for the delicate skin around your eyes. You'll appreciate how quickly this glue dries, allowing you to apply your lashes and go without waiting. Plus, it's waterproof and sweatproof, perfect for active days or special events where you want your lashes to stay flawless. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.